How do I know when I've compacted the repair enough? Compact until the patch is firm and flush with the surrounding asphalt, resisting pressure from a foot or tool. Start by preparing the edges so the new material bonds to the old surface. Remove loose debris and trim ragged asphalt so the patch has vertical sides. Place material slightly overfilled by about 1/4 of an inch so the final compaction leaves it flush with the pavement rather than sunken. Compact with overlapping passes. Keeping the compactor moving at a steady, slow pace to avoid crushing the aggregate or creating ripples. Focus on the perimeter first so the edges are turned down and sealed, then work toward the center to eliminate voids. Use the foot or a hand tamp to test firmness in small repairs and a straight edge to confirm the surface is level for larger patches. If the material moves under pressure or your tool leaves an imprint deeper than a few millimeters, continue compaction and recheck frequently. Common issues include overcompaction that makes the patch too dense and brittle, undercompaction that leaves voids and causes settling, and edges that are not sealed so water infiltrates. If the patch feels too hard and cracks start to appear, reduce pass pressure and use fewer passes on subsequent repairs, and consider a slightly softer mix next time. When the surface still yields under a firm foot or tool, keep compacting and verify the perimeter is locked down so the center will not settle later. For ragged or unsupported edges, trim back to sound material and rebuild the edge with smaller lifts, compacting each lift until the patch is flush. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a place for people to read experiences and post questions about repair techniques like compaction. We host a discussion community where our users share practical tips, contractor referrals, and real-world feedback.